Hello everyone, I'm here with a question, a little difficult one. You can call it HOTS from the chapter of AP. The question says find the number of terms in the series 1 upon 14 plus 1 upon 84 plus 1 upon 204 up till 1 upon 64,764. Also find the sum of the series. Now just see the question. If you see 1 upon 84 minus 1 upon 14 is not equal to 1 upon 204 minus 1 upon 84. So it is not an AP. Means we need to find out some relationship, we need to establish some connect such that we're able to find out the AP here. Now what do? I need to find out the sum number of terms first of all. So I break this AP. I change this into what the above series can be written as 1 upon 14 can be written as 1 upon 2 into 7. 1 upon 84 can be written as 1 upon 7 into 12. 1 upon 204 can be written as 1 upon 12 into 17 up till 1 upon 64,764 can be written as 1 upon 252 into 257. This is the most important step because this tells me how I have to proceed. So now I need to find out first of all the number of terms of the AP. Carefully look. It's 2, 7, 12 up till 252. Is it forming an AP? So we get that we get an AP 2, 7, 12 up till 252 with A equal to 2 and D equal to 5. And 252 is its nth term. So I put the formula an is equal to 252. That means 2 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 252, which gives me n is equal to 51. So hence I can say that there are 51 terms in this series. So first part is over. Now I need to find out the sum of the series. Now I'm looking out for 1 upon 14. How can I change it into a simpler version? So I know that 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 7 is equal to what? It is equal to, because I need to break it up in such a way that my cancellations are there. So I need one positive, one negative term. I try to find out what is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 7. If I take the LCM 14, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So I get 5 upon 2 into 7. That this is 5 and difference of 7 and 2 is also 5. Means there is some relationship. So I can write 1 upon 2 into 7 as 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 7 from this result. So exactly same way I can write 1 upon 84 as 1 upon 7 into 12, which is equal to 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 12. Same way I can write the other terms also. 1 upon 204 as 1 upon 12 into 17, which I'll rewrite as 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 17. Now once I have got this, I go on to the last term, 1 upon 252 into 1 upon into 257, and it can be written as 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 252 minus 250 minus 1 upon 257. So the series becomes now 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 17 up till 1 upon 5 into 252 minus 257. I take 1 upon 5 common and I get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 17 up till so on I go plus 1 upon 252 minus 1 upon 257. Now these terms will cancel out, plus minus 1 upon 7 and plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 17. For sure next term would have been plus 1 upon 17. Then it cancels with this term 1 upon 252 and I'm left with minus 1 upon 257 in the end. So I get this simplifies to 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 257, which on taking the LCM gives me 2 into 257 is the LCM, and I get 257 minus 2, which again simplifies to 1 upon 5 into 255 divided by 2 into 257. This and this cancels by 51, and I am left with what? I am left with 51 upon 514. So this is the answer. This is the sum of the series. Hope you have understood the question. Please watch the video again in case you have a doubt. Thank you so much.